Kia ora whānau, it is Lauren here from Chasing the Odd Shaped Ball. Anyway guys, I'm going to be doing a review on the Eagle Creek Packet Specter compression packing cubes. So anyway guys, I was looking for some packing cubes mainly because I'm trying to actually minimize how much luggage I take with me when I actually travel somewhere. And anyway, I got told by a lovely couple called Always a Friday, they're also YouTubers as well. They told me about these Eagle Creek packing cubes and how much they really liked them. And they actually said to me that they did their own review on it, and I will put the links up here somewhere to let you guys know where you can learn more about their review on their packing cubes as well. So anyway, I got the packing cubes, and the great thing is they actually can hold so much in these cubes and then you compress them, and then they've made up so much space. So as you guys will see with this one, this is actually the smaller version of the packing cubes. And what I've done is actually put a whole heap of my headscarves into this one. And I've got about 6 or 7, plus I've also got a shirt and a few other smaller material items such as socks and underwear, just to give you guys an example of some sort of idea of how much you can actually put into these cubes. So there's quite a bit in here, and then what you do is you just zip it around and it'll actually compress down, which is actually really great considering that if you're going to be traveling quite a little bit more like myself in a couple of months time, you might need to take 1 or 2 extra changes of clothes with you in case of an accident, or you may have lost your luggage or something like that. So that's actually really great in that sense. The other really great thing that I found with this compression cube is that I've been able to actually put the bigger one, which is this one shown here, into a day pack, which is actually my Black Wolf Grand Tour 12 litre day pack that actually comes with my pack, which you guys have seen in an earlier vlog. And the great thing is actually about this this compression cube is actually fits into the pack, into the day pack. And then if you're going to somewhere where it's an overnight stay, or if you were like me in a couple of months ago where I went to Christchurch and only stayed overnight, I had only a change of clothes. I put it into my day pack. I didn't have any luggage to check in because I actually had my day pack and my handbag, and that was it. That was it. I did not need anything else to take with me, and it was really great because I didn't have a lot of stuff to take with me, and I didn't have any luggage to check in, which was great because then you're minimalizing the risk of actually losing your luggage for a start, but also I'm not having to lug around a huge big suitcase with me kind of thing. So that was actually a really great thing that I found with these bags. So with the larger pack, which I'm just going to show you now, I have got several shirts in here, and also some other kind of tops, whether it be under singlets or even cardigan, just a thin cardigan, or even my long sleeve shirts, which is great because then I'm actually have a lot of long sleeve shirts, and particularly when I'm actually going to Israel in a couple of months, and now that I've started to actually cover up a little bit more, I've found that this is great with these packing cubes because I'm actually having to put a little bit more bulkier items in here, and it's not going to take up so much room. So yeah, that's pretty much how great these packs are. The only gripes that I would actually have with these packs is they don't compress down very well if you've got a pair of jeans in there. So denim doesn't really compress down very well. It's probably a known thing. I probably should know this. But it doesn't compress down well in these packs, so that's one thing. And also the other thing is I seem to find that the zipper seems to jam a little bit within the material on the inside where it compresses down. That's my only little gripes with these packs that I have found. Other than that, they are great packs. I have purchased two sets of these. So with the ones that I got from Wild Earth, I actually got a big one and a little one. I do understand that they do actually have another one in between the big one and the little one. I didn't actually get that one. So with these ones, they're actually very versatile. So I've got 2 sets of those, and I have found that they've been really useful because then you're actually having to convert, you can put quite a bit into these packing cubes for a lot less space, which is actually really great. So, and I found that it works out really well in that sense. So yeah. But anyway, guys, I hope that's a bit more of a in-depth review for you guys on how these packing cubes kind of work, and also for anybody out there who is actually kind of questioning whether or not they were going to get some packing cubes or how to minimize space, I would definitely look at getting these Eagle Create packing cubes, because you can put it, like as I said before, you can put an extra day's worth of clothes into these packing cubes, and if you have an accident or you need to actually, if you lost your luggage or something like that, or something of that situation, you can actually have an extra day's worth of clothes in here, and it's not going to be like a really bad situation. So yeah. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it from me. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this review, and I hope this gives you a bit more of an idea on what to decide to purchase if you are looking at buying packing cubes. And yeah. Alright guys, ka kite!